Global Factories is constantly searching for advanced technologies to improve their systems and services. To do so, they challenge themselves to combine technical know-how, creativity and market insights into forward-thinking, efficient and unique systems to improve patients' lives.
What is the inspiration for your product?
We look at the market. We're searching worldwide for new technology. Sometimes we need to combine it to make a new product. But first of all, we need to listen to the market. It should be always easy to implement, otherwise we'll never have a good product. We gather information to make the process at the end more efficient. At the end, we see a three-level use of data. So it's for our own use, for development. Then we have the customer itself, so they can use the data for making their process more efficient. And then, of course, we have the big data companies which want to use the big data for all kinds of future developments on the big scale. At the end, we use that kind of information for making us all more healthier.
In order to use this data as efficiently as possible, it is important to have strategic partnerships so that data and technology can be used in the right way.
What kind of partnerships does Global Factories work with?
We have two kinds of partnerships, the commercial and strategic partnership, and the other one is the service and maintenance partnerships. Looking at the commercial strategic partnerships, they are very important, mostly specific per country. It's very difficult to understand always culture, politics and things what happen in countries, strategic-wise. So it is important that we come to a very good and pragmatic way of implementation of the innovation. The service and maintenance partners, it's very important for us. We were just talking about data. We're using the data to see if our customers are happy. We see if we can improve our ticket service or if we can improve the training for our service partners. But both partnerships are very important for us.
By traveling all over the world to listen to, understand and learn from their customers, and to exchange knowledge with business partners, they can create pragmatic and usable solutions.
If you look at the brand values, what are the main drivers of the brand values?
The innovating technology and innovating products. The other thing is, of course, the smart and good partnerships we have all around the world. And entrepreneurship, of course. Those three combined makes the good and efficient and quality product we deliver in the market already for years.
By creating safe, reliable and efficient products, Global Factories aims to provide the best value for their customers.